Hello and welcome back. We are here in the mighty shed. So this is my brother-in-law Jaden's shed. It's been a bit of a thing. I think in a previous video there was a slab up, but now we've got the actual shed up. And within one day of it being up, we've got the AU in here and the Supra. This shed is a 6x8, I think. 6x8, 35 square meters, big roof, enough room for a car hoist or two, which will be happening eventually. But more importantly, now the shed is up, we can talk about what we hinted in the last video, which was, yes, the engine is out and there is another part that's coming on that's going to be sitting right here. So we're all excited about that. But yes, this is where this car has been, sort of waiting at least. But yeah, it's great. It's great. Lots of room for activities.
It has driven. I've only driven once on one of those.
Yes.
You haven't showed these yet, have you?
No, we have not. So these are the new big meaty boys. I think.
11 tyres by Hackett's.
Tyres by Hackett's, as always. Best tyre mob in the business.
Deliberately YouTube show's sponsor.
Yes, they are sponsor of the channel. So check out Hackett's for tyres, as always. But yeah, so I think this car went on the road after it got its tyres once.
Defected.
Yeah, we had some issues.
Did drive again, pulled apart.
So yes, it's pulled apart in here, ready for that big turbo conversion. Now we have all the parts, or 90% of the parts, I believe.
Yeah, they're still coming.
Yeah, we've got parts still coming, so that will be videoing on that. The motor did get pulled out yesterday, but as always, dad duties come first, so I could not come and help. Already got intercooler mounted up. We've got
Piping kit's on its way.
yeah, piping kit.
Manifold's still got to be made.
So yeah, just some small things.
Manifold's about 6 weeks away.
Yes, we're going Helltech on this one. Instead of how I've got PCM tech, which is factory stuff, we're going full standalone ECU, which is going to be awesome. A bit more customizability, more inputs and all that sort of stuff. So that'll be sweet to do a video on that.
Helltech dash too with all these.
Oh, okay. And Helltech dash, so there you go. So that's going to be good to see all that go into this car, and that'll be a nice little build series. So yeah, I'll go over the turbo before I leave, but it's a 3582 Pulsar turbo.
Yeah, GDX 3582 Gen 2.
Yeah, the Gen 2. So it's pretty much the equivalent of a Garrett, just not got the Garrett brand and not the price tag. So
all V-band 6-boost manifold.
yeah, so it's going to be mint. I'm probably going to go a similar turbo. But yes, that's where the mighty Blue AU has been. I know people have been asking about it, and this is sort of exciting because, yeah, full turbo conversion on this thing. Plus the shed, which is mint. So now the man has everything. Got the car trailer, got a drift car, got the shed, 2 stance cars, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, this is pretty much it though. But we'll just go a bit of an outdoor photo of it. But yeah, it's great. We've got everything that we need to start pumping out some good stuff. And we have not forgotten about this car. We're going to be doing some work on this car very shortly. We were just waiting for the shed to go up, obviously. Yes, we're doing a lot of stuff, swapping some stuff that we no longer need for this one because it's going turbo. That'll now going to go on this one. Plus, we've got a few things we need to fix on this before it can go to the track. It pretty much has not left the backyard since we've gotten it. So, and just before the video ends, to show we actually do have some parts on the way. Got a nice forward-facing plenum that's going to get tidied up before it goes in. Timing chain kit, valve springs. We've got retainers, full head gasket under here. We've got all of the seals for the front covers and
Tapper covers and full rebuild seal kit.
yeah, so we'll be able to reseal the whole thing, so it'll be good when it goes in. And the big bad boosty boy. So, woofed, that is a nice bit of kit. So, yes, that's it. That is proof that shit is actually happening, and very shortly it'll be going together. So we'll be covering that as well. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a short one, but it's not really, it's just a quick update. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. And
keep on moving forward.
and that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on boosting, and we'll see you in the next video.